Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a comment status in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option. Now select comment option. There are three kinds of comments here. This first one, I'll add this comment status. Click this three dot option and here I'll find set status. I'll make it accepted and see this accepted option showing here. Also set this comment status completed and this comment status are shown here. Cancel and see this. In this way we can add comment status in your PDF file comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.